Good morning, Madam 3. We talked before about Pythagoras theorem and the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Today we will talk about Euclidean theorem. What's the meaning of Euclidean theorem? It's the name of a scientist. It searched out the ability of, if I have a right angle triangle and from the vertex of the right angle I make an attitude. Okay, first of all, what's the meaning of attitude? Okay, I want you to recognize a very important thing first. What is the difference between attitude or perpendicular and bisector and median? Because most of you confused about this. Here I have a triangle, and I will make this, and I will say this part equal to this part. So that means this line is a median. This line is a median. Why? Because it's bisect the base into two equal parts. But if I have a triangle like this, and I will make this line, and I will find I have a 90 degree, that means it's a perpendicular. That means it's a perpendicular. Okay? And also, if I have a triangle like this, and I will make a line like this, and I will find that this part equal to this part, this angle equal to this angle, that means bisector. So easily, if I have a triangle ABC here, and I have here a ray AD, which is bisect the base, that's called median. That's called median. But here, if I have triangle ABC, and I figure that AD perpendicular to BC, that's perpendicular, okay, or altitude. If I have ABC and AD here, bisect the vertex angle, that's bisector, okay? Okay, let's talk about Euclidean theorem again. Euclidean theorem, first we will read the theorem talk about what? He said to me, here's a right angle triangle. So this theorem also related by the right angle triangle only, not any triangle. The area of the square on a side of the right angle is equal to the area of the rectangle whose dimensions are the length of the projection of the side on the hypotenuse and the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, what does it mean? First of all, I prefer to make a blank page to understand easily. Here I have a right angle triangle. Okay, I will make a new one. And before this right angle triangle, I will make a perpendicular, a heart. Okay, I will rename this triangle A, B, C, and here I have AD perpendicular to BC. If I have a right angle triangle, and from the vertex of the right angle, I make a perpendicular, so it will apply Euclidean theorem. Okay. To be easy with the theorem, I prefer to make visual pattern by using the arrows I will make to be easy for your eyes to can understand it. Okay. First of all, I can apply the Pythagoras before I start the Euclidean. Yes, of course. I have a bigger angle, which is ABC. Right angle triangle, so I can apply Pythagoras theorem with this triangle. And also I have triangle ADC, right angle triangle also. And I have also ADB, right angle triangle also. I can apply the theorem of Pythagoras. Now, what is the difference between Euclidean and Pythagoras? Euclidean use different ways to get the parts of the sides or the main sides by using many ways. Like, he said to me, if I need to get AC squared, I will make CD times CD. If I need AC squared, I will make the product of CD times CD. I will write it down to understand. AC squared equal CD times CD. Pick the part, by the way, this part called the projection of AC on CD times the whole side, the hypotenuse. Okay? This is the first rule. By the opposite way, how can I get AB squared? I will make the same. How can I get AB squared? I will make the same. if I want AB squared, I will make BD times also BC. If I need AB squared, I will make BD times BC, and I will write it down also to understand. AB squared equals to BD times BC. This is the two main rules of Euclidean theorem. But I have also another two rules. Okay? First of all, you have to understand this thirdly. If I want to make AC squared, I will make CD times the total, which is CD. And if I want to make AB squared, I will make BD times BC. Okay, what else? What is the other two rules? The other two rules related by the height AD. We have for this height two rules. First of all, AD squared equal. Okay, look by the highlighter way also. AD squared equal the part which is right times the part which is left. So AD squared, not AD only. AD squared equals DC times DB. Okay, now I can get the square root of AD, but I need AD only. I can't get the root. Of course I can. I can get AD root equal to DC times DB. Okay, this is a rule. What is the other rule? The other rule we already took from junior 5 by using the area. But to be simple, I will tell you another way to be easy. If I need the length of AD and we give to you this side and this side and this side, you can make a very simple thing. AD equal side 1 times side 2 divided by the hypotenuse. That's mean AC times AD over BC. Okay? This is the explanation of the four rules of Euclidean theorem. Okay, let's see them. Okay, he said to me here, I can apply Pythagoras theorem. BC squared equal AD squared plus AC squared. AD squared equal BC squared minus AC squared. AC squared equal BC squared minus AD squared. Here, if you want to get BA squared, I will make BD times BC. Here, if I want to get CA squared, I will make CD times CD. Here, if I need DA squared, I will make one right and one left. That means DB times DC. And if I need AD only, I can use AD times AC over BC. Okay, let's start a question here to understand. He said to me, I have a right angle triangle, X, Y, Z, and X are perpendicular to Z1. These conditions make me use Euclidean theorem. Euclidean theorem apply a right angle triangle has altitude from its right angle. Okay, first we ask you to get X1. Okay, here I need X1. I know that XY squared equal YR times YZ, and I have both sides. So easily I can make that XY squared equal YL times YZ, and I will substitute. That's mean XY squared equal 9 times 25 equal 25. So what is the concept operation of squared to get the length of XY? Yes, the root. So I will make root 225 equal 15 centimeter. Okay? And also we ask you to get xz by the same way. I know that xz squared equal zl times z1. That's equal 16 times 25. Okay? After this I can get the root of this side. I will find that it will be 400 centimeters squared, but I need xz only, so I will make root 400 equal 20 centimeters. Okay? Okay, in this part, by the way, what I'm going to make positive or negative? First, I have to make positive or negative, but I know that it's sign, and there is no sign with negative sign, so I will refuse the negative part and I will take only the positive part. Okay? After this, he asks you to get XL. Okay, we have many ways to get XL. Here I have 9 and 16. I can use the rule which is XL squared equal 9 times 16. But also I get this side and I can get this side, so I can make side and the side over hypotenuse. And so on. Many ways are accepted, right? So I'm going to use XL squared equal NY times ZL. So simply, erase, you can see the drawing. So simply, I will make what? I will make XL squared equals to 9 times 16. 9 times 16. So XL equals simply root 9 times 16. Right? I know before that root can apply the multiplication operation. I can separate the root under it. That's mean root 9 equal 3, root 16 equal 4. So of course this side will be equal something. Okay. Here is the answer if you want to understand it carefully. Okay, let's choose the last one. Okay, and we can solve it together. He said to me ABCD is an quadrilateral. Measure of angle BCD equal 90 degree. BED is both right angle triangle. BC equal 7 cm, CD equal 24 cm, AB equal 15 cm. And he asked me to get the length of each of BD times AD and AD. Okay, first of all, I have BCD is a right angle triangle. Since BCD is a right angle triangle, measure of angle BCD equal 90, that means applied by Pythagoras theorem. So simply I can get BD by taking the root of 24 squared plus 7 squared equals 25 centimeters. Now I have AB and BD, and he asked you to get BD. Okay, I first get BD. Now I can get AD. I can get AD by using also Pythagoras theorem. I have AB and BD, and he told me measure of angle A equal 90 degree. So since measure of angle A equals 90 degree, that means AD is a side. I can make root minus, I can use the hypotenuse first, which is 25 squared minus 15 squared, and I will get here 625 minus 125, that means I will get 400 will be 20 centimeters. So I will use this is 20 centimeters, so I already get AD. Okay, this part I will explain it now to you, the projection. What is the meaning of the projection? Okay, he asked you to get the projection of AB on BD. How can I get the projection of AB on BD? First of all, imagine that BD has a rule, has a line like this BD. Okay? And I need this line, and I need the projection of AB on BD. Okay, that means I need the projection of line AB on this one, the next one, okay, on the red one. Okay, this point B is line on the red line, right? Let's this be blue so we understand. This point B line on the red line, right? And point A, what is the projection of point A on the red line? If I flip something on A to it perpendicular on BD, which is the red line, I will find that it's line on the point E. It's line on the point E. Again, what is the meaning of the projection of AB on BD? That means A is perpendicular to BD in one point in point E. So the projection of AB on BD is EB. Why again, I will explain to you again. Here I have point called, here I have point called AB, sorry, something wrong. Okay. perpendicular on BD. That means the projection of point A on the line BD is the line B. What about the projection of point B? B is not on the line BC, that means the projection of B is itself. And C also is lying on BD, straight line, that means C is lying on the BC itself. So if I ask you to get the projection of A, you will tell me D. And if I ask you to get the projection of B on BC, I will take the same point which is B itself. And the projection of C on the line BC is C also is itself. So according to our exercise, how can I get the projection of AB on BD? Okay, A is the projection of BD is E. So AB, the projection is E. And okay, so the projection of AB on BD is what? AB on BD is EB. The projection of AB and A on BD is EB. Get the projection of AB of each point alone. So how can I get AB? I know that AD equals 20 centimeter, and I know that BD also is 25 centimeter. How can I get BE? I will search BE in which part and which because BE is beside this side, so I will use the rule of this side according to Euclidean theorem. I have AB squared equals to BE times BD, right? And I know that AB squared equals 15, so 15 squared equals to BE times BD is equal 25 centimeters. So I can solve now an equation and I easily can get BE. How can I get BE now? I will drop this, will go to the other side by dividing side. So it will be 15 power 2 divided by 25. The answer will be 9 centimeters. Can I check my answer? Yes, of course. If I get 9 times 25 equal 15 over 2, I will get it right. 9 times 25 equal 15 over 2, so it will be right. Okay, the last required. He asked you to get the rest of the projection of AD on AE. Put AE. How can you get the projection of point of line segment on AE? First of all, make a line on AE. Where is AE? I will erase this so you can understand. Where is AE? This part is AE. Okay? This part is AE. And I need the projection of AD, the blue one, on. Okay, I will make it far away so you can understand. I know the projection of the blue one on the red one. Okay, first point by point. Point A. What is the projection of point A on the red line? It's not on the red line, so it's itself. Okay, what is the projection of point D on the red line? Point D, go to the AE by perpendicular line because DE is perpendicular to AE. That's mean the projection of point D on the red line is E. Now simply I want to get the length of AE. Remember, I know that this side is 20 and this side is 25, and we ask you to get AE. Very simple, side times side over hypotenuse. That's mean 20 times 15 over 25 is the result. Divided by 5 equals 4, divided by 5 equals 5, divided by 5 1, divided by 5 3. So the result of course will be 12 centimeters. If I want to check my answer, I will make 20 power 2 plus 15 power 2. If I find that it will be 25 power 2, so I am right and the answer will be right. Thank you for listening. I hope you can understand this part well.